What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick video update for all the Sony 900F owners out there. They just dropped a new firmware update that enables Dolby Vision on all the 2018 F-Series televisions. The firmware is only available through their website as a download, so be sure you guys have a USB stick handy. I'll leave a link down below to the download. So let's go ahead, update my 75 X900F, and check out some apps. So when you go to the download page, it'll give you instructions on how to update your TV, so be sure to read all the info. You're basically downloading the zip file and extracting it to the root of the USB stick. Once you plug the stick into the TV, it should automatically start installing. This whole process took about 20 minutes. Now that that's done, let's check out the inbuilt Netflix app. This is one of my go-to shows, Daredevil. It now says Dolby Vision within the app. And in the upper right corner, it does say Dolby Vision. So let's pop into the picture settings and verify it is working. And indeed, it does function properly. Going into the advanced settings, you can still make changes except for the grayed out selections. Let's head on over to the inbuilt Vudu app. Justice League has some amazing HDR, so if you haven't seen it, I think you're missing out. And Dolby Vision does work here as well. Now let's pop in Annihilation on the Apple TV. And this is good to go as well. And the last app on the Apple TV is of course Netflix once again. And that's good to go too. Now all you Sony X700 player owners out there should have gotten the Dolby Vision update for your players to get Dolby Vision working properly from physical discs. As of right now, this update is direct download from their support site and should be available as a direct download to each television in about a week or so. I'd also like to give a shout out to DarkCloud1983, our resident Sony guy. He should have some new Sony products up on his channel for review, so be sure you guys check him out. Leave us a comment down below and let us know how the update went for your TVs. What do you guys think of Dolby Vision? Give us a thumbs up if you found the video helpful. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys again at the next one.